Yo, what's up guys? My name is Kara SA and I'm back again with another sample. And for this sample I started with the piano from Pianoteq, and this is how it sounds like. And for the processing, I added RC20 retro color. I also added a parametric EQ. And why I added the RC20 retro color is so that I get that vinyl sound, and then the EQ is just cutting the low end. So from then on, I added horns from SRX Orchestra, and this is how it sounds like. So after the horns, I added a brass, also from SRX Orchestra, and the brass is playing harmonies for the horn, and this is how the brass sounds like. So after the brass, I added a flute from SRX Orchestra, and this is how the flute sounds like. So after the flute, I added a Celeste from Pianoteq, and this is how it sounds like. And so after the Celeste, I added strings from SRX Orchestra as well, and these strings are playing a drone note, and this is how it sounds like. So I added automation to the strings to make them sound as if they are real. I then added a cello from SRX Orchestra, and this is how it sounds like. And for the strings, I also got them from SRX Orchestra, and they are playing the same thing that the cello was playing, and they sound like this. I then added texture to the sample as well as Congo, and this is how both of them sound like. I then after that added a bass from a plugin called Forefront, and this is how the bass sound like. And for my master effects, let me show you. I just added a Puigchild 670 stereo. It's a compressor plugin, and it's gluing the instruments together to perform as one instrument. I therefore added J37 stereo from Waves to also add character to the sample, and I left the presets on default. I just added the saturation. And with all that being said, this is the final sample, and it sounds like this. So yeah, that's the final sample. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed this content. And I'm actually working on a sample pack right now. It's going to be dropping very soon, so be on the lookout for that, and I will be announcing when I drop it very soon also. And yeah, thank you for watching again. See you next week.